Hello friend, Namaste, Sastrikal. Myself Ranjit Kumar Jha, working as a project manager in Cogniscient Business Solutions, Noida. And today I am going to discuss about the customer payment in the SAP Business One. How you will take the payment from the customer. Whenever you will create the AR invoice, then finally the payment of the customer will have to receive by the account person. So just log in the SAP Business One. You will see such types of the screen. Just click on the banking module. You will get the different types of options like this: incoming payment, deposit, outgoing payment, payment wizard, etc. So for the in case of the taking the payment from the customer, just click on the incoming payment. You will get different options like incoming payment, check, register, credit card. Then click on the incoming payment. This is the screen of the incoming payment. Write down the name of the customer here. If you remember the name of the customer, write down here. If you know the code of the customer, write down here. Just write down the customer name, Jitender. Just like this, you will see it will appear automatically. Now select the amount of the customer. Here you will see the different types of the amount below on the screen. Just select which bill amount you want to take from the customer. Suppose that I am going to take the payment of the bill number, say document number 7. Just check out, click on this one, and after that click on the golden icons here, payment means. Here this is the payment means indicate that how you will take the payment, whether it will take you would like to take the payment by the check, by the bank, by the credit card, or the cash. In this case I am going to take the payment by the bank transfer. So just click on the GL account. You will get different types of the GL account available in this in the SAP Business One, and click on the account name and write down the account name here. I am writing here SBI. This is the SBI account. So just choose this one. Then right here, click on this option and press Ctrl and B for Bombay. The balance will reflect here like this. Then click on the OK button and check the general entry. You can see here the bank account get debit, whereas the customer get credit. As we are taking the payment from the customer, so customer is getting a credit and the bank account get debit. This is the general entry for the payment. Now click on the add button and your payment will get completed, and your account will get a debit by the same amount. So just click here, add this one. So this is the total process how you will take the payment from the customer. So topic of the today's session was how we'll take the payment from the customer, and it is over. Have a nice day. And if you want to connect us CBS Noda for any implementation, for any inquiry, we can call our number which are written below on the screen. So okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.